What's up, guys? Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. This video is one I've been wanting to do for quite some time. I'm going to talk about how much money I've spent so far to get where I'm at with my LS swapped Regal, with the suspension, wheels and tires, interior, just what I've spent since I bought the car, and kind of how I got the money and how this all got started for me. So first off, I used to own a 1986 Buick Regal, a white one. You'll see it right here. As you can see, the wheels are destroyed on it. The car was beautiful. It was nice. I bought that car for $1,300, which is a steal for a Buick Regal. You can find one anywhere for 1,300 bucks. You're doing good now. But I had that car for a while, and as you can see from that picture, I got in a wreck. Got destroyed. It bent the rim up that you see right here, and then it did some other damage. The front's totaled out and all that. So I got hit by a guy who was high on drugs. Not my fault. He sideswiped me, so I got an insurance check, and that insurance check paid me $4,500. While I had that car, I'd actually already stockpiled a 5.3 and a 4L80E that I had planned on doing this for quite some time. And then I found this silver car, and I paid $2,100 for this car. I still got this on a pretty good deal. It was about 70,000 miles on the clock. Then after that, the first thing I bought was a 6-liter. This come out of a Zuzu NPR grass truck. I paid $525 for this motor. That's dirt cheap. Next up, I bought the computer, which was a Mega Squirt Gold Box. I spent about $1,400 on that with transmission control. I did buy the ECU, that you see here, for about $900, and then I bought the TCU for about $400, and then I had some miscellaneous costs in there. Then after that, I got the Holley motor mounts, the Charlie transmission mounts that you see. They were all about, I'd have to go back and look. Let me take a look. Alright, so for the Holley stuff, I spent $97, $367 on the pan, and then I think I spent another couple $100 there on motor mounts. I also bought an HD2 shift kit for my 4L80E. That was like $90. The cross member for the transmission was $262. Then later on, I bought $300 80-pound deck injectors, a wideband was $162, a fuel regulator $185, $40 fuel gauge, bought transmission oil cooler adapters. They were $12. I'd say about $200 worth of fuel lines, and then I had $100 in a fuel pump, which was a Walbro 450. And then I think I might have about $100 on the hanger. You can go back and check my old video. The next big ticket item that I bought for this car, the UMI suspension. This is a stage 3 UMI suspension kit with coilovers on all 4 corners. They're all double adjustable. The fronts are Viking and the rears are QA1. Oh, I forgot. I also bought a Ford 9-inch. I don't know how I forgot that. I got that used. I bought a Ford 9-inch with upper and lower adjustable controlling arms for $2,700. It's a Ford 9-inch with 350 gears, Detroit True Track, 31 spline axles. It's from Curry Performance. Super nice unit. Oh, I did upgrade my brakes. I spent about $500 on that for C506 Corvette brakes. I'm trying to think what else I spent money on, but I'm hoping when I add this up at the end, because I haven't added it up until after this video, I hope I spent less than 10 grand, but I'm not really sure I'm going to add it all up. So yeah, let's add that up right quick. Alright, so I did some calculating, and yeah, I'm kind of blown away with how much money I've spent. That's a wad of cash right there. $11,340. That's including the price of the $2,100 car, but I'm sure that it'll go up a little bit because I'm sure there's some things I forgot. It's nuts, man. I never thought that I would spend that much on a car. I'm kind of frugal when it comes to stuff, but I love this car. I love driving it. I love making videos with it. I love G-bodies. Like, this was my dream car. Granted, it was a Grand National. It's really my dream car, but it's the same body style, and LS is worn out when I made Grand National my dream car, so this gonna have to work. If you got any more questions, comment on my video. Shoot me a message on my Instagram. It's at Daniel Fuzzy Lane. You can see more pictures on there of my car. Y'all know the message if you've been watching for a little while. If you ain't on the brake, you better be on the skinny pedal, son. It's $11,000 skinny pedal now. We out of here.